Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making boneless stuffed pork loin roast. Let's do it. Butterfly this thing, so we're just gonna slowly start from the bottom. Quite thin, at least a ½ inch. Then continue. See how it kind of rolls out. Try to get as even as possible. There we go, perfectly rolled out. Medium fire, oil into the pan, let that heat up. Make sure the pan's hot. Onions in, saute the onions up till they become translucent. Pepper, salt, 1,000 cloves of garlic, saute, apple slices, apples all nice and happy. A little bit of rosemary, sage, some thyme. This is gonna be our stuffing for our pork. Cinnamon, a couple tablespoons of brown sugar, it's a touch of water. Caramelize the onions, everything a little bit. Let that go for a few minutes. Some butter. Now it'll start to caramelize nice with the butter in there. Yummy. Caramelizing up nice. Almost looks like an apple caramel sauce. I'm liking that. Off the heat and we're gonna cool it down. Toss it on a tray and toss it into the fridge till it cools down. Toss some cream cheese in with our stuffing here, and it's all cooled off, so we're just gonna mix in the cream cheese. Oh yeah, cheese goes good with everything. And it's a very nice caramelized kind of sweet mixture, so it's perfect. Now we're gonna stuff our pork loin, toss our stuffing all over the pork loin, and we're gonna roll that up and tie it up. Oh yeah, it looks like a good amount of stuffing. Oh, the cream cheese works well with the stuffing, perfect. It's gonna roll it up. Some of it might fall out, but that's okay. Now that the roast is all like that, we're gonna tie it up. Start in the middle, and you don't have to go super tight, okay, because all the stuffing will just fall out. Again, show you how to tie your strings. So you go, well, I'm a meat cutter, so I just do it like all the time automatically, but you take this string over there, well, let's flip it over there, flip it over here, inside, and come kind of like a slip knot. And it comes together, and now secure it. There's your knot. Now we're gonna season it up. Black pepper, salt, flip it over, same thing on the other side. And if the stuffing falls out, don't waste it. You can use it for something else. Over, flip, flip, flip. We're gonna sear this bad boy. Medium, higher fire, okay. Heat the pan up, oil into the pan. Make sure that oil gets nice and hot. Now we sear our roast. Sear it up. It's a pretty good sear, okay. Flip it over, sear all sides. Lovely color there. Sear all your meat. Such a lovely fall dish. All right, take a roast. So once your roast is all seared, toss it in a 365-degree oven until it's cooked. Your internal temperature of 165. Roast into the oven. Let's give it a good hour and 20. Pork roast. Simple pan sauce, you always need shallots. You sear meat, you always have the pan that you can use for your sauce. Shallots, saute those shallots up with whatever meat you had in your pan. This is all this lovely fond and flavor in the pan. A super simple sauce. Get those shallots all happy. Garlic, pepper, salt. Don't burn your garlic. Use a dry wine. Chardonnay is fine, just as long as it's not too sweet. A little bit. The wine in, so you want to reduce the wine. Always make sure you cook the alcohol out for a few minutes. It's a touch of heavy cream. Reduce your sauce down. And this is how easy it is to make a pan sauce for your steak or pork roast or your pork chops or whichever you have. If you have a pot that you're gonna sear anything in, just make a sauce. So easy, so tasty. Just pull it out of the oven, looking good. Take the temperature of the pork, show you how to serve, and we want to let it rest for about 10 minutes. Serve it with some lovely corn. And also check out my shorts for all the sides. Every side I do for each dish, there'll be a short for that. Put a link for the shorts just up in the corner there. Check them out. Lovely roasted butternut squash with the, look at the color. Pork roasts. Oh, we'll put it on the side so we can see everything. Perfect. Got a lovely pan sauce that you can use for so many things. Perfect. Lovely stuffed boneless pork roast. With apples and roast butternut squash and some lovely corn. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And to make some lovely stuffed boneless pork roast. This is my dinner. I gotta eat. Bye.